Hey folks, Michael here, and today I'm going to show you my custom I made, and it is Senior JC Studios. Well, he makes crossovers of everything. Thomas the Friend, Dorothy, the Wizard of Oz, and everything. Well, I use a Action Canyons Ames, and I painted it all blue, and I used a paper for the name Standard JC. And he got his own YouTube channel. It's called Senior JC Studios. And I added stripes: dark blue, yellow, red, and green. And he wears blue glasses. And he makes a lot of YouTubers. And he has teams of crossovers like Incredible Bubble Irish Guy and Trainsville. And I want to say something. Thanks to Senior JC Studios. I hope you'll make it to 1,000 subscribers. And happy birthday! And this is Michael the Tank Engine signing off.